What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we heading down to the drag strip because we got roll racing coming back to Montgomery, baby. I never was really interested in that, but I'm going to participate tonight. Hopefully I don't get beat too bad. I don't think I will. Last time I roll raced, I think I uploaded that video. It wasn't too bad. I won twice, I lost once, so we'll see how this goes. Yeah, my boy Michael got his Insta360, about time. Let's go. It's freaking hot. I got this dang jacket on. There's two bikers over there we're gonna run into. Michael got his girl on the bike. It should be a pretty good turnout out here. This is the first event that Montgomery's hosting that's actually roll racing. The track is set up for roll racing, but for some reason they never let us do it. Like I've only been going to the track for a couple times now. I haven't been like an avid track goer, but I'm trying to go a lot more. Hope that's not a cop. He's sitting right there, and it's a cop undercover. And he's coming to get us. I just saw him turn out. Or not. Yep. Man, goddamn, dude. Really? Really? I hope he's not coming. I hope he don't flick them lights on. But we weren't doing it. We weren't even speeding. I got video proof this time we weren't speeding. God. He's going to get somebody. Fire up here. Gotta assert my dominance coming in, I'm sorry. Left lane is boo-boo. And I wheelie. Still taking the Applebee's. Somebody's leaking something down here. What happened?
It was a helmet. I hit a helmet.
Huh?
I hit a helmet. I hit a helmet.
Gio's helmet flew off.
His helmet.
Oh, there is one down there.
Yeah, I didn't even see that bitch.
You fucked up the bike?
Bro, his kickstand broke. It broke his kickstand.
It broke his fairings on that side too.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get you off the track.
Well, let me call going down so that they come.
They're coming.
Oh, okay. Alright.
I can't even move now because of that.
Damn. Like the bike, can it not start?
Huh?
The bike can't start?
No, it can start.
Oh.
I can't quit in first gear because of the kickstand.
Oh.
Hey, is the kickstand broke or did the spring fly off? The spring just popped off.
Yeah, the spring flew off.
It's on there.
The spring?
Hold on. Don't know it, ain't.
I'm not at the end.
Yeah, the spring flew off.
Yeah, I'm off the track. Yeah, I'm at the end at the turnaround spot. Yeah, I hit the helmet. I didn't even see it.
Whose helmet is it?
It was Gio on the red bike.
Is he up? Where's he at?
I think he went to try to grab it. Okay.
Hey, let me call Michael. Michael might have zip ties in his bag.
Alright.
Yeah, we're fixing it up.
I think we were trying to go down and tell you all this.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 3343247.
Even if he got a little shot of gas, it didn't make no thousand. I don't need no shot of gas. I need a shot of ass. You got the wrong direction, my boy. Hey, you look in that direction. You look at the wrong thing.
We talking about a car. Let's talk about big bank, take little bank. I got 15 grand. And a nigga put up 5 grand with their car. And that nigga put up 5, hey, go get your car, let's go.
On to the goal. I'm with Mopar. I'm with Mopar. Somebody talk crazy. You have 50 grand. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta go home and get 50. That man standing 392 on 24-wheel route trip, making 1,000 horsepower. I done heard this motherfucker. Stock and block. I don't give a fuck. You put a shot of gas on it. You can't pro charge it, bitch, but you gotta stop block so you can't turn up. You got no car, you can't win it. That's what I like. I got no car.
Alright guys, we're leaving the track, so I got a low battery. Basically to explain everything, we had Big Rob TV out there, shout out to him. I'm gonna tag him in this video when it comes out. There was 2 guys out there talking shit. It was a Lambo and a fucking stock ass Scat Pack. Motherfucker sitting on 30s or 32s, Forgiatos or Ruchis, whatever the fuck they were. Motherfucker talking about making 1,000 horsepower. He ain't making no 1,000 horsepower, no 32s or 30s, whatever they were. That boy just bullshit. And then he didn't want to race. Then he pulled off, got out the racing lane. But the Lambo and 5-0 raced. The Lambo beat him. What else happened? Oh yeah, every time I went up there, I got beat. I only got 360 footage, so I'm gonna try to figure out how to incorporate all that into the video, because I didn't record a whole lot from my GoPro. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share. If you see this video anywhere else, tag yourself. I'm probably gonna post a clip of this on Instagram, get a little bit more traction to my YouTube. But stay safe, wear your gear, don't get caught in the rain, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.